It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're at 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 124, Providence, Rhode Island, the Providence Lofts. It's a first floor studio apartment for rent. 650 square feet, starting a video tour right when you walk in. New flooring throughout, high ceilings, mini splits on the ceilings. To my left, bathroom, shower, no tub, vanity. Open floor plan. Big windows, lots of natural light coming through. Little kitchen area, you got refrigerator, cabinet space, undermount sink, electric stove, built-in microwave. All utilities included. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 124, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.